Sanvi, congratulations.
Hello ma'am, thank you so much.
Hello everyone. So this is Sanvi with us and she has done wonderful in her exam. So let us learn from her journey. I hope you will learn and understand how wonderful she has done. So Sanvi, if you have to tell one very important thing you would ask all CLAT aspirants to follow for their exam.
I would suggest just one thing which I learned in my 2-year journey is that consistency is the key. अगर आप रोज you can get up and you're like हाँ same newspaper पढ़ना है, same mock देना है, analyze करना है, GK पढ़ना है, तो if you can do that, then this exam is for you.
Right. So did you feel कि when you scored last year and you were not mentally prepared and now when you scored, did you feel the difference in the paper and your mindset?
Definitely ma'am. Last year I was really tensed. I panicked. I saw the paper. Initially I was okay, but after that I was like ये क्या है, AR आ गया, ये तो CLAT का syllabus नहीं है. But this year I was very calm. I had it in my head that ठीक है कर लेंगे जैसा आएगा. So yes, I was better off.
Okay. How did your parents and everyone support you, or they were worried, or how did that go?
Ma'am, I was scared the whole time कि घर से कैसा reaction मिलेगा मुझे जब the results will come. But I think they were supportive. They were the ones जिनकी वजह से I took a drop. I was hesitant कि नहीं रहने देते हैं, एक साल क्यों करेंगे. But my parents were like नहीं दे दो, you have it in you, you can do it the next year. So yes, they played a major part.
Right. Okay. If you have to tell students how to go about their English primarily, RC, what is the key to go about RCs?
If I talk about myself, I was not a reader. I started reading because of CLAT कि हाँ CLAT crack करना है तो reading करनी पड़ेगी. So I think reading is the key for RC. You need to read a lot. Books हो गया, newspapers हो गए, and practice. Reading and practice. That's it.
Okay. And for legal?
Legal, I think concepts are the key. अगर आपको concepts पता है, you need to like learn it once. You need to आप पढ़ो एक बार teacher से, आप समझो एक बार कि क्या है concept. उसके बाद ही you have the brain to apply it. अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है, आपने सिर्फ एक बार read कर लिया, आपको किसी ने समझाया नहीं है कि हाँ इसमें ऐसा होता है, then there's no use.
Okay. And for GK? GK is so vast. How did you deal with that?
I relied on CLAT Express. Last year that was my problem. I did not have a fixed source कि मैं एक ही magazine कर रही हूँ. I used to look for sources. But this year I was like I need to stick to one source. I stick to CLAT Express and that made it. Every question I was like हाँ ये तो पढ़ा हुआ है.
Good. And for quant, were you afraid of the subject as such?
I had taken maths in 12th and apart from that also maths, I liked doing maths. Okay. So I was confident about it कि हाँ ये तो basic topics like percentage, profit loss ये सब तो हो जाएगा.
Right. And this year's change maker, logical. How did you prepare for it and what was the reaction when you saw the paper?
Because I was preparing for A-Let as well, it was not a very big shock for me कि अरे AR आ गया. We were prepared कि AR से कुछ तो आएगा. So when I saw the paper, I was finding critical कहाँ पे है कि logical reasoning क्यों नहीं दिख रही है. But I was like okay नहीं है कोई बात नहीं. In fact, critical reasoning scared me कि weekend कैसे करेंगे, strengthen कैसे करेंगे. But AR I was fine कि हाँ चलो AR है हो जाएगा.
Right. Okay. So overall, final 3 things you would tell students not to do and 3 things you will tell students to do.
To do पहले number 1 believe in yourself. If you think कर लोगे तो कर लोगे. Number 2 consistency as I said कि if you have the guts to do the same thing every day for the next whatsoever months you will do it. Number 3 talk to people, talk to your mentors, talk to your parents, whatever you're feeling because it is a paper you need your headspace. 3 things not to do.
Social media?
Social media, yes, I was off social media for those 2 years. Social media से दूर रहो, कौन क्या बोल रहा है कि अरे मेरा पेपर इतना अच्छा गया and ये करना पड़ता है. I don't think so. It is very helpful. दूसरा not to do self doubt. Okay. Thank you so much.